Yeah. Them. Yeah, look! They're massive! Gosh! I can just about tolerate the size of the one in my front room, never mind them. They're less hot yes. Can I get a yes? Every time I do that, you want to mute me, don't you?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that makes me feel a bit ill.
Not like that.
That's a bit wild.
That's a bit of a view.
Hi everybody, it is day 2 of our Gran Canaria adventure with Canary Motorcycle Tours. So today we're going out in more of a group setting. We're still riding with Martin. We are going north, heading over the mountains, and then we're doing the GC 200. So if you're interested to come along with us, then keep watching and I'll play the intro.
Are you not going in front? Yeah. Clear. Oh, that's well smart. Do you see it? Did you see the CF? Well guys and girls, it is day 2 and we're on the road. So we've got Martin leading the group, then in front of Martin we have Sarah, the lovely Sarah. Behind me we got Michelangelo, and then behind Mike, who do we have, Mike? Oh, he did introduce himself to me this morning, which was lovely of him, but I'm terrible with names. I'll find out. Yeah, hopefully we can actually record some stuff today without the cameras overheating. That'll be a dream. I don't know what it is though about the air in Gran Canaria. It makes my eyes water like Billy-O. Billy-O! Trouble is, when you shut your visor though, you feel the heat trap in with you. Oh, I found out the guy's name behind us. It's Karl. Okay, so day 2, we're heading north and over the mountains. How are you finding the temperature today, Mike?
Okay, it's a little bit cooler. It's a bit nice.
Did you nearly just say it's a little bit chilly?
No, a bit cooler.
Oh, I thought you were going to say it's a little...
I said colder and chilly at the same time.
Ah, I see.
It's still nice and warm.
Yeah. Still warm enough for airflow jackets, for sure.
Definitely.
For sure.
Okay, was this tour what you expected it to be?
Was the tour what I expected it to be? I would say, yeah, it was, because I'd done a little bit of research. I'd watched a few of, you know, Bruce's, and this car's turning. A few of Bruce's and the Missing and Flyers videos, and it looks phenomenal, but nothing really compares to actually riding it, like the roads. Look at the palm trees at the side. They're proper chunky. Proper chunky. I like them big. I like them chunky. What lane is this lane? Oh, the get past the slow thing lane. Tight, tight, tight. Wow, we're climbing. It's so mad, like the roads here. Because it's like the system in the UK where there's a solid line and going downhill there's no overtaking lane, but there is going up. Except we're at this on the side of a bloody mountain ledge. Like, that's just wild. Wild to me. I thought that was a real sheep then, Mike. But yeah, apparently, mate, we're going seeing, I think, the west coast today. Ah, look at this lady up here.
Right.
Oh, she didn't care.
Did you try and wave at her?
Yeah. I try and wave at everybody, Mike. I don't often get waves back though. Oh, I know it's colder today apparently, but it's still pretty freaking...
Nice.
Stop. Let's go. You look good. I have to say the chainmail and the helmet looks great together. You're just missing your shades, aren't you? You're weary, I can tell. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, it is the heat. I mean,
pretty late night last night.
yeah, I mean for me it's the riding because I'm not strong. But yeah, the heat does take out of you, especially when you're not used to it.
That's how we start the good roads, right?
Yeah, the good roads start soon. Wow, the views are so good. We're climbing. We're climbing. Wow, we're high up, Mike. We're still going up and we're already high up. Wait, didn't he say we're going to the highest point today? Of something. Wow, look up there, Mike. Into the big cave to the right. Oh my giddy aunt. Look at this bad boy. That was wild. Martin is a maniac.
Huh?
Martin's a maniac. Still climbing, what the heck? Fourth gear, climbing, chugging along.
Was she friends with that the person who was bringing down?
Yeah, I think so. Chris Lee.
Very competent.
Yeah, she's a really good rider. She's like a great example. She's doing all lifesavers right, it's just getting on with it. Yeah, smashing rider.
What bike is she on? Or she's on one of these?
She's on one of these, yeah, but a non-DCT.
Yeah.
Non-DCT life.
It feels like a much more chill pace.
Yeah.
Still going on.
Still climbing.
Climb.
Just keep climbing, just keep climbing. What do? We climb. La, 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 la. Oh my god. Oh my god, I wonder what all that was in the sky, but it's not the sky, it's the sea and the boats. I was like, is this an alien invasion?
Some balls in the sky.
Yeah, no, I thought they were alien ships. I'm like, this is a problem. How are we getting home? We're being invaded. Wow, look at these. Look how flowy this stretch is. Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Can't go any further now, this is it.
Whoa, what the heck?
It is gorgeous.
Why are we so high up there? This is wild. Wait, I turned you down because all I could hear was you screeching. Speak. Keep speaking. Wait. Hang on. It's in neutral, that's fine. Is it? Why is it not letting me move? It's not letting me move. It's like stuck, but it's in neutral. Oh, my handbrake. I left the handbrake on. Yeah, I'm trying to move off with my handbrake on. I forgot it had that function. I've really got you so quiet because I was trying to speak to Sarah and you were so loud talking to Martin, but now I can't get it loud again. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up. Speak. Yes, we're back in business. You are loud. So, did Martin say we were going stopping for a coffee now? Wow, these roads are mental. They're just so mental. Karl carving his own way in life. Thing is, we're not. He goes his own way. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Oh, flippity floppity, don't stoppity. Wow. I just waved at him and he just was very grumpy. My mentality is good today, but my eyes are sore. But I'm positive. I'm not sure. I wouldn't even mind going back to that place. Like, yeah, or we can try somewhere else, but I really enjoyed it. And I like Italian food as well. Cute. When we were at the top of the viewpoint, yeah, and you said you always worry that you'll be the last one, I forgot to put the handbrake on. I'm like, why is it not moving? Like, why is it in neutral? Why is it in first gear? What's going on?
Look at that handbrake.
Totally forgot about it. Yeah. What a prize idiot.
I'll do it myself.
Okay, we're good. Let's go. Yeah. It's alright. Thankfully I didn't die. fair. My boot keeps coming undone, it's very annoying. Well, I'm committed. We're going around, we're going. Yeah. Give him a thumbs up. Wow, that view down there is incredible. I think we've got a good group here. Martin's ace, Sarah's lovely, Karl's lovely, and then we've got you, and then I'm lovely. Well, this should be fun.
So many viewpoints.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I can imagine he gets a lot of drops there, but that wasn't too bad. Oh, look at that, so good. This be looking super tight with a very big drop at the edge. Don't think of with a hole in it.
Why would have a hole?
Who?
Why would have a target?
A target? You make me laugh.
Why would have a target? You must exit here.
No, you must not exit here. Beautiful. I'm drinking so much that I'm needing the toilet all the time. You know, probably because we're not sweating as much today. Oh, look at this. Just flowy, flowy, flowy. A conifer. I wonder if they put lights on it at Christmas. Wow, this is the first time the road surface hasn't been completely flawless. Unlike these hairpins. Why what? Maybe they don't pay the road tax for this parts. I'm only joking, I don't quite think it works like that. Yeah guys, if you are thinking about, you know, booking this tour with the intention to absolutely spank it around everywhere, dragging your knee, feeling like a hero, it's not really the tour for you. Don't get me wrong, the pace is flowy and consistent, but it isn't you know, a real fast-paced trip, which to be honest I'm grateful for, because I'm really enjoying taking in the scenery, enjoying the flowy roads. Because you know how it is sometimes when you go on group rides, like everyone's kind of fearing for their life because they're all going so fast, trying to keep up with each other, riding outside the comfort zones. That's not what this is about. Like, for one, it's not a place where you want to crash, being 2,000 miles away from mainland UK, but also it's just not about that. It's just about vibing, flowing, riding, and that's exactly what we've experienced so far this trip. And it's just blissful. I mean, just look at that, you can see the sea. And an alien. No, to be fair, to Desert X. To be fair to me, Mike, they were like tankers in the sea, so they look like proper big structures in the sky. Whereas that, you could see the trail from the water. But yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, the pace isn't slow, is it, Mike? It's not a slow pace. It's flowing. It is like steady to fast, but it's not like, you know, hammering the throttle to slam on the brake sharp. It's just a a flowy, chill vibe kind of ride. But no, I don't think you can beat these roads. You can't beat these roads for just how incredible they are. They're never boring because there's just barely any straights.
Barely any traffic.
Barely any traffic.
You couldn't really go much faster now.
Yeah, you can't, like Mike just said, I don't know if it picks up, but you can't really go much faster than we're going really round them because they're so tight, twisty and technical. Hey Cardo, volume up. Hey Cardo, volume up.
Hey Cardo, volume down.
You wouldn't want to hoon everywhere and go fast because it is a lot of riding. The days you get so much riding done that if you're certainly looking for value for money in terms of what you're paying and for how much riding, you're not getting fobbed off with, you know, just spending most of your time at the hotel. You're getting good days riding in, a lot of it.
9 till 5.
9 till 5. Riding 9 till 5. What a way to take a holiday. Yeah, there's just so much riding, it's wonderful. So the point that Mike was making is you wouldn't want to be going everywhere. I don't know why it became a 2-stroke then, Mike. Or a what? A screeching cat. Screw you. I can imagine if you ride like that here, you're going to get tired out pretty quick. Bang. Does it?
Yeah, actually, it has the shape of your body.
Oh.
And your fat rolls.
And my fat rolls. Really, did my fat rolls look bad in it?
No, you don't have fat rolls. You're an idiot.
Okay, my skin rolls.
You don't really have skin rolls either. You've got bad posture. It's different.
Oh mate, you're too kind. I'll take bad posture rather than something's genetically wrong with you, you mutant. Oh, pink flowers, they're so cute. Wow, look at this road, what we're about to go down. Oh my! This looks phenomenal. Dun, da, 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 da. Phenomenal. Dun, da, da, da. Get a bit of second gearage going on with a bit of back brake, because sheesh, this tightens up. Oh, look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Gorgeous, but again, big drops, kind of scary.
Not
No. Yep.
Talk through along, there's like loads of caves inside the rocks.
Yeah.
I don't know if you're going to see it, but across to our like 11 o'clock now, there's behind these houses, there's like a hole there.
Oh yeah, I see. I see the holes in the wall.
Now they've got like holes in just the side of the mountain.
Yeah. A chicken! Why did the chicken cross the road?
So they get splattered by the motorcycle, obviously.
Iconic. Chicken, chicken.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
Chicken wing, chicken wing. Mike, why did the chicken cross the road? Because it wanted to.
You suck.
Dad joke of the century.
That is actually quite a good joke.
Oh, it's topsy. Because!
That was very loud, I heard it that loud.
Oh, it is a top tier joke. Nope, I'm not looking at the cliff edge.
Like a few chips.